Okay, we are the narrators of this story. Superhero me. Usually, narrators don't get to introduce themselves to the audience. Why? It's because a lot of people think that only the main characters get to perform.
However, since this story is so extraordinary, the script writers decide us to give you this precious opportunity to walk you through the story together.
By the way, do you like my new superhero costume?
I think after you watch this show, you will understand that you don't need an epic to become a hero.
Oh really? I'm ready to watch this.
Here we go. Another fine ordinary day on Rutter Street.